Hello students. In today's video of C programming, let us learn to implement arithmetic operators using Turbo C platform. Let us open new CPP or C document you can save. Suppose it is the first program of C language, C1.C. To start with the program, we have to write two header files basically. One is stdio.h. It's a standard input output header, and second header file is conio.h, and this header file is console input output header. If you would like to learn more about these, you can go to index and search for stdio.h. The complete detail is here. You can study one by one all the topics, but later on in the videos we will discuss each and every topic. Similarly, you can search for conio.h in the help index. Conio.h, everything is there. Suppose I have to study about clear screen, lies under sign, conio.h. You can see the detail here, and a brief program is also there inside the platform. To start with the program, we have to write main function, then clear screen, and get ch. These are the necessary contents you have to write. Two header files, then main function, open braces and close bracket. After that, clear screen and get ch. Suppose we have to add two numbers. Basically, what are arithmetic operators? The main arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Also, for the calculation of remainder, you can use modulus operator. These are basically the operators, arithmetic operators. To use arithmetic operators, we have to declare two variables. Then for addition, suppose sum is required. Then to calculate difference, then product, division, and remainder. Suppose these are the contents. Int stands for integer if you are declaring all the values as integer, and float for decimal values. To enter, you have to write printf statement, enter first integer value. To enter the value, you have to write scanf Two variables are there. First is x and second is y. Similarly, you can write printf, you can write second value in the new line, scanf percentage d ampersand y. It means you can enter two values using these statements. One is printf and second is scanf. What is the meaning of percentage d here? Percentage d is for integer value. If you are declaring the decimal values, that is float, it means you can write percentage f here and percentage f here. To add the values, you can write sum is equal to x plus y. Remember, each statement ends with semicolon in C language. Printf, you can write here by adding first value, let us say percentage d and percentage d. The answer is percentage d. Now, what is the meaning of this? At first place, suppose x will be there, and second place y, and third place sum. Let us try to execute the program. To execute, we can directly press Ctrl F9, or by clicking on run, you can press run button. Enter the first integer value. Suppose 3 is there and second is 4. By adding 3 and 4, the answer is 7. If you have to subtract the number, you can write difference is equal to x minus y. You can write here printf difference is equal to, you can write percentage d, and at this place you can write di double f. Again execute the program. First number is 13, second is 65. By adding 13 and 65, the answer is 78, and difference is 13 minus 65, that is minus 52. Similarly, you can calculate product. Suppose I write pro is equal to x multiply y. You can write star while you multiply the variables inside C language. In the new line, you can write product is equal to percentage d, then PR. Again execute the program. First value is 12, second is 13. 12 plus 13 is 25. Difference is minus 1 and product is 156. Similarly, you can calculate the division. DIVISION division is the first number 1 divided by second number. What will be the answer? DIV. Suppose I write here DIV is equal to x divided by y. Execute the program again. Suppose I write first number as 1, 12 and second number as 7. Let us see the output. Now one change is there or one question is there. By adding 12 and 7, the answer is 19. Difference is 5, product is 84 and division is 1. Division is not up to the mark. For that we have to declare the variable as float. Decimal values, and here we have to change percentage D into percentage F. Again percentage F. Here also we have to write percentage F, percentage F. All the terms have to be changed because percentage D stands for integer value. These are basically the control strings, and percentage F for decimal values or float values. Let us execute the program. 12 and 7. Let us check the output now. 12, 7, answer is 19. Unnecessarily decimals are there. You can also control these decimals. Let us check. Suppose I write here 0.0f, 0.0f, 0.0f. Then again in difference, this content is not required. 0.0. What is the meaning of 0.0? Means after decimal no values is required. Suppose here we write 0.2 up to 2 point of decimal. Now execute the program. 12 and 7. Now you can see the output. Now it's in controlled manner. 12 and 7. By adding 12 and 7, the answer is 19. Difference is 5. Product is 84. And the division is 1.71. Now one more thing is there. Suppose the second number is equal to 0. Let us try with that. Suppose I write 12 and second number as 0. It's infinity. Plus infinity, by default some content are there. If the value is not there inside the division or some problem is there, then you can control the content also like this. If y is equal to 0. Suppose the second value is equal to 0, then you can cut the content from here, edit, cut, and you can paste here, edit, paste. Second value is equal to 0. Second value is not equal to 0. You can write not equal to, else you can write here printf. Division is not possible. Division is not possible. Let us try to execute this program. Suppose first value is 12, second is 0. You can write division is not possible. In the new line, you can write what about division? Division here, division like this. Let us execute the program again. First value is 12, second is suppose 7. Division is there. And what about if the value is 0? Division is not possible. In this way, you can control the contents of arithmetic operators. I repeat again, 2 header files are there, then one main function, then declaration of variables, then clear screen, and then entry of 2 variables, then addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For division, you can control the content. If the second value is not equal to 0, then division is there. But if second value is equal to 0, then division is not possible. Do you understand the content of arithmetic operators? In the next video, I will discuss about modulus operator in C language. Thanks for watching my video.